I am now. I just started. You just whispered that as soon as I started recording. You messed up the video. Oh well, I'm still gonna put it on YouTube. See this store right here? See this store, YouTube land? This store right here?
Hey, Rob.
Somebody robbed this store with a fucking toy gun.
Yeah.
And got shot by the police.
6 times.
Cause he was pointing the toy gun at the police. Because, well, he's an idiot.
Yeah, and he was being chased by it.
Huh. And that man has keys. Where are you going with those keys? He's going to get something at the back of his car. What do you need the keys for if the car was unlocked? I like a black person. Holy Jesus.
No, he may have had to unlock it and he may use a button.
I just got your stupidity on tape. Stupid! There's my grandma. Coming out of the store, they got robbed. With the toy again.